Is a mass extinction that happens once every 30 million years about to strike again? Professor Michael Rampino of New York University has published extensive research arguing exactly that. According to his work, Earth's mass extinctions follow a cycle of roughly 27 to 30 million years. All the evidence he presents points to a chilling conclusion. Earth is not an absolutely safe haven, but a planet obeying a cosmic rule of periodic resetting. Fossil records also show that every 30 to 34 million years, the solar system passes through the plane of the Milky Way. And within this time window, the probability of mass extinction on Earth rises dramatically. Why do mass extinctions strike with the precision of a preset alarm clock? The dinosaurs couldn't escape it. Countless dominant species before them couldn't either. No warning, no escape, only ruthless cleansing. And now, the sun is carrying us at full speed toward this high-risk region once again. Hello, Earthlings. I'm Lao Ma. Today, based on mainstream scientific hypotheses and archaeological discoveries, we'll explore Earth's mysterious reset cycle and uncover what force periodically wipes the planet clean. In fact, this pattern was first noticed by studying extinction records spanning hundreds of millions of years. Scientists discovered that the timing of mass extinctions closely matches the solar system's crossings of the Milky Way galactic plane. It's as if this moment were deliberately scheduled. Once the cycle arrives, Earth's ecosystem is forcibly rebooted. Based on these findings, as early as the 1990s, Professor Rampino integrated vast amounts of evidence and formally named this theory that solar system galactic crossings trigger global catastrophes, the Shiva Hypothesis. In 2021, he published a landmark paper in Frontiers in Earth Science, sending shockwaves through the scientific community. Using data from 89 geological events over 260 million years, he pinpointed the extinction cycle to about 27.5 million years. This raises an unsettling question. Is there some kind of cosmic cleanup program built into the universe? To connect these two seemingly unrelated clues, the solar system's motion and Earth's mass extinctions, let's go back 66 million years to a truly terrifying era, the end of the Cretaceous period. If you stood on Earth back then, you'd find yourself in a completely alien world, a world of extremes, everything larger, stranger, more intense. If Earth were a person, the Cretaceous would be its rebellious teenage years, wild, extravagant, driven by an all-or-nothing attitude. By then, the supercontinent Pangaea had already shattered. Massive land masses drifted like puzzle pieces across the oceans. It was one of the warmest periods in Earth's history. Tropical heat stretched all the way to the poles. What does that mean? It means even Antarctica and the Arctic were once lush and green, covered with ancient forests and exotic plants, nothing like today's frozen wastelands. In this world ruled by giants, where were you? Or rather, where were our mammalian ancestors? Sadly, mammals were pitifully small, smaller than modern rabbits, trembling in burrows, virtually invisible in the ecosystem. Because on land, anything larger than 1 meter was almost certainly a dinosaur. They were the undisputed rulers, dominating the planet for over 150 million years. Until the day despair arrived. An asteroid larger than Mount Everest came hurtling toward Earth at a terrifying speed of 43,000 kilometers per hour. What does that mean? The speed of sound is about 1,200 kilometers per hour. This asteroid was moving over 30 times Mach speed, like a bullet hitting an apple, magnified billions of times. As it tore through the atmosphere, it violently compressed the air ahead of it, generating temperatures rivaling the surface of the sun. Then, it struck near the coast of today's Mexico. The chaos released was beyond human imagination. This wasn't just disaster, it was the apocalypse. Shockwaves swept across the globe, flattening everything in their path. If an advanced alien civilization had passed by at that moment, they would have watched Earth transform in an instant. The mighty dinosaurs, rulers for millions of years, became cold fossils locked in stone. But here's the key question. Where did this world-ending asteroid come from? Was it random chance or destiny? This brings us back to the cycle we mentioned earlier. Every 30+ million years, our solar system crosses the galactic plane. The Milky Way isn't flat, it's a thick disk, and the solar system doesn't stay in the middle. It moves like a roller coaster, bobbing up and down through the galactic disk. Scientists at Cardiff University discovered a shocking mechanism. When we pass through the densest regions of the galactic plane, the gravity of massive gas and dust clouds disturbs the comets at the edge of our solar system. This is known as the rebound effect. Imagine a calm set of billiard balls on a table. As the solar system crosses the galactic plane, gravity slams the table. The balls scatter violently. Comets fly off course, raining into the inner solar system. Some inevitably strike Earth. This completely overturns our old assumptions. That asteroid wasn't lost, it may have been thrown at us by the galaxy itself. Computer models show that during galactic plane crossings, Earth's impact risk increases tenfold. Crater dating on Earth matches this cycle uncannily well. Roughly every 36 million years, we take a cosmic beating. But that's not all. The universe may have more than one way to torment Earth. Research from New York University suggests another side effect of galactic crossings: overheating of the Earth's core. Dark matter or dense interstellar material may interact with the core, raising its temperature. And what happens when the core heats? Massive volcanic eruptions, even continental rifting. The Deccan Traps, formed at the end of the Cretaceous period, are one of the largest volcanic provinces on Earth. What triggered them has long been debated. New research suggests they may be the result of core heating during a galactic plane crossing. So, the dinosaurs faced hell from both sides: meteor showers from above, magma floods from below. No escape. And now, our current position in the galaxy suggests we are very close or already crossing the galactic plane. Not all scientists agree with this doomsday scenario. Some argue the probabilities are extremely low, but at the very least, it should serve as a warning. If human civilization is to survive, we cannot remain forever in Earth's cradle. Otherwise, we may share the dinosaurs' fate.
Beyond these tens of millions of years extinction cycles, our solar system has never really been a calm place. Zoom out far enough, and you'll find that the Milky Way contains between 200 and 400 billion stars, all of them in motion. Although the distances between stars seem enormous, over vast stretches of time, close stellar flybys are not as rare as we might think. The last known star to pass near our Sun was Schultz's star, which visited about 70,000 years ago. But studies published in 2024 and 2025 have revealed something even more astonishing. Our solar system, during its early evolution, may have experienced an extremely close stellar encounter, the now famous 110 AU flyby event. A team led by German astrophysicist Susanne Paltzner, after running thousands of simulations, found that early in the solar system's history, a rogue star once screamed past at a distance of only 110 astronomical units from the Sun. What does that really mean? To put it into perspective, Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object ever launched after nearly half a century of travel, is only about 164 AU away today. In other words, this intruding star passed even closer than our most distant probe. Considering that even our nearest stellar neighbor is over 4 light-years away, this was a near miss on a cosmic scale. Why are scientists so confident this flyby happened? Because only such an encounter can explain the chaos at the edge of our solar system. Astronomers have discovered that beyond Neptune lies a large population of objects with retrograde orbits. They orbit the Sun in the opposite direction of the planets. Then there's the distant dwarf planet Sedna, whose orbit is absurdly elongated, with a perihelion beyond 76 AU. Even Saturn's moon Phoebe, along with the irregular moons of Jupiter and Neptune, may be casualties of this ancient flyby. These objects may once have belonged to the region beyond Neptune, only to have their orbits violently altered and later captured by giant planets. This means the disorder at the solar system's edge is actually the wreckage of an ancient cosmic accident. That star is gone for billions of years, but its scars are still shaping our destiny today. Meanwhile, humanity's spacecraft are now testing these ideas directly. Launched in 2006, NASA's New Horizons probe is one of the fastest spacecraft ever built, reaching speeds over 58,000 kilometers per hour. It first revealed Pluto's true nature, a surreal world of ice mountains, frozen nitrogen plains, and flowing glaciers. Then it continued deeper into the Kuiper Belt, the solar system's frozen frontier. Today, New Horizons is more than 60 AU from the Sun. At this distance, working together with the Subaru telescope on Earth, it made a discovery that shattered expectations. Traditional models predicted the Kuiper Belt would abruptly end around 50 AU, beyond which should lie empty space. But observations from late 2024 to 2025 revealed a new population of objects between 70 and 90 AU. At least 11 such objects have already been confirmed. What does this tell us? That the Kuiper Belt may be far larger than we ever imagined, possibly even layered. Even more intriguingly, between the known Kuiper Belt and this newly discovered structure lies a mysterious gap. Ring, gap, ring structures like this are commonly seen in the disks around young stars elsewhere in the galaxy. If confirmed, it would mean our solar system is not especially unique, just another system obeying universal physical laws. And Voyager 1, now traveling alone through this mysterious gap, is heading towards an unknown second boundary. When people talk about the solar system's edge, they inevitably ask about the legendary Planet 9. For years, astronomers suspected a hidden world beyond Neptune, 5 to 10 times Earth's mass, because a group of icy bodies there seemed strangely aligned. But discoveries from the past 2 years may be pouring cold water on this idea. In fact, the existence of Planet 9 now seems increasingly unlikely. First came an object discovered by the Fossil Project, nicknamed Ammonite, officially designated 2023 KQ-14. It's a true cosmic fossil, moving along an extremely elongated orbit, taking 4,000 years to circle the Sun once. That means when the Egyptians were hauling stones to build the pyramids, Ammonite had just begun its journey. The problem is, its orbit doesn't match those that supposedly support the Planet 9 hypothesis. It's like a soldier who refuses to march in formation, breaking the pattern entirely. Even stronger evidence came from another newly discovered object, 2017 OF201. This one is even more extreme. One orbit takes 25,000 years, and it travels out to 50 times Neptune's distance. Most importantly, its orbit completely defies expectations. Simulations revealed a paradox. If Planet 9 truly existed, objects like 2017 OF201 should be wildly unstable and long ago ejected from the solar system. But it's still there, perfectly stable. This leaves only 2 possibilities. Either it's a 1 in a billion survivor, or Planet 9 simply doesn't exist. Scientific opinion is now shifting. More astronomers believe there is no hidden planet at all, just observational bias or remnants of that ancient stellar flyby. Zoom out even further, and an even more astonishing truth emerges. We live inside a gigantic bubble. Scientists call it the local hot bubble, a low-density region about 1,000 light-years across, filled with gas heated to millions of degrees. How did it form? Around 14 million years ago, a series of nearby supernova explosions blew away gas and dust like inflating a balloon, carving out a vast cavity. Our sun likely drifted into this bubble about 5 million years ago and has been wandering inside it ever since. Recently, Germany's eRosita X-ray telescope, operating beyond Earth's atmosphere, captured the clearest images yet of the structure. And scientists discovered something remarkable: the bubble isn't sealed. Within this vast emptiness lies a mysterious interstellar tunnel leading towards the constellation Centaurus. Like a subway system within the Milky Way, these hot bubbles connect through tunnels, forming an enormous hidden network in the cold interstellar medium. This suggests our galaxy may be riddled with invisible channels, and we are nothing more than dust floating inside a hole in cosmic cheese. From 30 million-year extinction cycles to ancient scars at the solar system's edge to the massive bubbles surrounding us, we once believed our solar system was a quiet, stable refuge. Now it seems more like a fragile boat sailing through a stormy galactic ocean. Every new discovery shatters our assumptions about the universe. Perhaps, as scientists say, the only reason we're here to ponder these questions is that in countless rolls of the cosmic dice, we happen to be lucky enough. But how long will that luck last? In a universe filled with uncertainty, humanity's only path forward may be relentless exploration until we can finally control our own destiny. The universe is vast. Life is even greater. So get some rest. Good night.